Chromatograph is a technique used for separation of mixture. The mobile phase carries the mixture through a structure holding another material called stationary phase. The different components in the mixture moves at different speed, which allow them to separate. Chromatography may be preparative and analytical. The purpose of preparative chromatography is to separate the components of mixture for later use and is thus a form of purification. Analytical chromatography is performed normally with a small amount of material and is for establishing the presence of measuring the relative proportion of analytes in a mixture. The two are not mutually exclusive. Chromatography was first employed by the M.T. Sweat in 1900. He worked on plant pigments such as chlorophyll, carotenes and xanthophyll for their separation. In 1940s and 1915s, the technique developed substantially as a result of work of Arthur John Martin and Richard Lawrence M. Saint. They established the basic principle and technique of partition chromatography. In 1952, they received the Nobel Prize for their contribution in chemistry. The chromatographies consist of mobile and stationary phase. The mobile phase is a mixture of different components to be separated. Stationary phase is a porous solid material through which the different substances travel according to their affinity with the stationary phase. TLC, thin layer chromatography and its application. TLC is widely accepted type of chromatography which is similar to paper chromatography, except the stationary phase is a thin layer of adsorbent like cellulose, silica gel and aluminium. The technique was introduced by Izmailov and Schreiber in 1938. They used the technique for the separation of plant extract on 2 mm thick and firm adhesive layer of aluminium set on glass plate. In 1944, Constantine Gordon and Martin started using filter paper. Their work in the field of amino acid analysis met with a considerable success. TLC is used for most of the chemical compound and has high speed of separation and high selectivity. It is used for the identifying the organic compound, say acids, alcohol, glycerols, alkaloids, amines, amino acid, proteins and peptides. TLC has enabled the chemist to assess that the reaction is complete and it's followed the expected course. Recently, TLC has been used for separating cationic, anionic and purely covalent species and also the derivative of some metals. The first organic work on thin layer was reported by the Menard and Hall in 1949 and separated zinc and iron by radial chromatography. The TLC is superior over all the chromatographic techniques due to the following reason: simple equipment, short development, wide choice of stationary phase, early recovery of separated component, easy visualization of separated components, high sensitivity, variable separated components, easy visualization of separated components, high sensitivity, variable thickness of layer and use of chemically inert stationary phase. HPTLC, High Performance Thin Layer Chromatography. It enables the most complicated separation. The HPTLC plates are prepared from optimized absorbent layer and extremely even surfaces. These plates offer greater separation efficiency through smaller plates height than the conventional TLC plate. Shorter analysis time detection limit in the nanogram range with the UV absorption detection and in the pictogram range with the fluorometric detection are some additional advantages with these plates. Instrumentation of HPTLC consists of the following: lamp selector, entrance lens slit, monochromator entrance lens slit, grating, mirror, slit aperture, disc, beam, splitter, reference photo, multiplier, measuring photomultiplier, photodiode for transmission measurements. HPLC is widely used in phytochemical and biochemical analysis, herbal drug, quantification, active ingredient, quantification, fingerprinting of formulation, and check for adulterant in formulation. Next is GLC, gas liquid chromatography and its application. The GLC separation technique consists of mobile phase and a stationary liquid phase that is coated onto either a solid matrix or the wall of capillary tube. The stationary phase has sufficiently low vapor pressure at the column temperature so that it can consider as a non-volatile. The sample mixture in gaseous form is run through the column with a carrier gas. Separation can be achieved by difference in the distribution ratio of the component of the mixture between the mobile and the stationary phase, causing them to move through the column at different rates and with different retention time. After elution the sample, components can be detected at the exit. In gas chromatography, the mixture is rapidly heated and vaporized at the injection port. The sample is transported through the column by a mobile phase consisting of an inert gas. Sample components are separated based on their boiling point and relative affinity for the stationary phase, which is the most often a viscous liquid within the column. The higher the component affinity for the phase, the slower it comes off the column. The components are then detected and represented as peak on a chromatograph. The detection of steroid drug used by the athletes in sports and steroids administered to animals in traces are being carried out by GLC. Hazardous pollutants such as formaldehyde, carbon monoxide, trichloroethylene, benzene and acrylonitrile can be monitored by GLC. In the analysis of food, the separation and identification of lipid, protein, carbohydrates, preservatives, flavors, colorant and texture, modifiers as well as vitamin, drugs and pesticides and trace elements are involved. Some organometallics such as borane, silnes, german, organotin and organic lead compounds are amiable for GLC separation. HPLC and its application. HPLC is a separation technique in which the mobile phase is liquid. Liquid chromatography can be carried out either in plane or column. The column may be reused. Nowadays, the liquid chromatography that generally utilize every small packing particle of relatively high pressure. Since the chromatographic technique are slow and time consuming, hence the separation can be greatly involved by using high pressure in the range of 5000 to 10,000 psi. In HPLC, the sample of a mixture is allowed to move by a liquid at high pressure through a column that is packed with stationary phase composed of irregularly or spherically shaped particles. The difference in the affinity led to the separation of different components of the mixture. HPLC offers the advantage of speed, resolution and sensitivity, which have resulted in becoming the most popular form of chromatography, and all types of biological molecules have been purified. The reverse phase partition HPLC is useful for the separation of polar compounds such as drug and their metabolites, peptides, vitamins and polyphenols. The HPLC partition chromatography has become successful in resolving the numerous amino acids formed in hydrolysis of protein, the separation and analysis of closely related aliphatic alcohol, and the separation of sugar derivatives.